All right, welcome to this video, and I'm going to show you the progress that I've been seeing in my current project. So if you're not aware, I've been trying to move from a service business into info businesses, more specifically going into blogging. And the first project that I decided to go with was our agency's blog. So at our agency, we help Amazon sellers boost their sales with copywriting and translation services. But what I've been trying to do recently is build the blog in a way that the blog itself becomes the source of income rather than our service. So to do that, I've been for the past around 6 to 7 months, we've been working really hard at finding topics to write about and then working on publishing blog posts with the hope of course, ranking high on Google and getting traffic. Once you have traffic, you have people's attention. And once you have people's attention, then you can monetize that attention in multiple different ways. One of the primary ways we've been monetizing has been with ads on the site, and I'll show you in a bit the results. And in January, we've crossed $10,000 in passive income from the blog alone. So let's go directly into results because that's what really matters to you guys. So this is an example of the post that we have on our site. So as you can probably see, I just wanted to show you exactly the process. You would find a topic that you're passionate about or that you are an expert in. And of course, within a specific niche that your site is targeting, then you would write this post. And as you can see, these black things loading here, these are all actually ads that are on the site. They're not loading at this time because the system knows that it's me, that I'm the owner of the site, and will soon not show me ads anymore. We have also a sidebar ad that shows here. But basically, when people land into this page from Google, they would read your content, they would be happy with the content that you provide, and they will see these ads on the screen. And these ads will make you money. That's the primary way to make money with blogs. And this is the dashboard of our ads. I'm using Mediavine as the ad manager. And as you can see already from here, in November 2022, we've made $4,274. And it's crazy because we started with this site. We started seriously publishing content in August of 2022, which is, I mean, to reach this kind of numbers in November with this time frame really short shows that we've been doing things very well. December, 6,296, and January last month, $8,000 just from ads. So this doesn't include the money that we have been making in other income sources. So if we actually check some of the performance month by month, here you can see this is insider data that I got also from our SEO manager. In August, we've been publishing really hard, but we've been working on this since, I mean, seriously, let's say, since May. And as you can see here, Google Search Console traffic, this is the actual traffic that we have on the website. We just had 775 visitors in May, which then grew to up to last month, 226,000 people, or let's say search traffic on our site alone. Okay, and here we have other data related to the site. And what we look at as well is Ahrefs. So if you don't know what Ahrefs is, it's a software that we use for SEO. And as you can see as well here, I'm on Ahrefs. This is the site. We can see that we barely had this orange curve is the traffic. In June, we barely had any traffic based on Ahrefs. And you can see how the traffic has been growing tremendously. You can see the stats. You can see that we're ranked on organic search for more than 81,000 keywords. So people can find our website with more than 81,000 keywords. The domain authority is 38. We haven't even been working much on link building, like barely working on link building. This comes from inbound link building. Let's say like people want to link, I mean they want us to add links to them, and then I find strategic ways to also get a link from them, exchanges, indirect link exchanges, things like that. We contribute to blogs from people they know. So it's we haven't been doing active link building, as in we reach out to people and ask to write guest posts, which is actually wrong because we should be doing this much more. Okay, so this is really the quick update, but how do we reach these results now, you may ask? Well, it's pretty simple and straightforward. You have to cut all the fluff out, because if you watch other videos similar to this, you would see that many people talk about technical SEO, talk about adding keywords to images, adding keywords to, I mean, all this fluff work, which isn't really what will lead you to these results. What will really lead you to these results is constantly publishing high quality content and, of course, getting links. It has always been like this with Google, and it will always remain like this. Now, there are many ways for you to be able to publish content faster. There is the AI, ChatGPT, and all of this. But personally, I've been trying to incorporate this in our systems, and I've been having a hard time, because not because it's not good and it doesn't do the job, but it doesn't do it with the quality that I am trying to get. And I know in my blog here, I try to prioritize quality. I want that when the reader lands into one of these pages like this one, they find this information so good that they don't need to go back to any other page on Google. Okay, so that's the idea that I have. So, what I would recommend you to do is really as simple as, when I say simple, it doesn't mean it's easy, it's simple to understand. What you should be doing is select a niche, okay, a topic, general topic, then select other subtopics. And from those subtopics, you need to have a list of, let's say, 100 keywords that you can build an article from. And then you need to build those articles and try to reach 100 articles and set a time frame for that. That's the step number one that you should be doing. Once you do that, well, things become on autopilot for you, because Google start picking up your keywords, starts to rank your site, and then Google will see you as an authority in your space for that topic that you chose. And that's how you start building traffic. And with traffic, the first step that I recommend you to do is ads, having ads on your site. And I say this because while other methods like affiliate marketing and sponsored placements are actually really good, they are not for beginners at all. Like, really, I've been trying to work on that. Now, one of the most important parts of what I'm trying to do at the moment is diversifying the income of the blog with affiliate marketing and other means. And it's working, but to be completely honest with you, it's more difficult than simply going for high traffic keywords and placing ads on your site. So that's what I would personally recommend you to do. And if you have any other about this, I hope that it was useful. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll be sharing more about what I'm doing with this blog and with future blogs, because who knows? I mean, if this works and I'm trying to make it as systematized as possible, then I would like to replicate the success of this blog with other blogs, or perhaps purchasing a blog and optimizing it using the systems that I've been building with this blog. With that being said, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.